welcome to Mundo Rosa. So today, as you can tell already from the title, I'll be doing a Wonder Woman pop art. I've never done this before, guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I am very nervous, but you'll be with me throughout this journey and let's see what will come out of this.
For the art part, you'll only be needing 4 colors of face painting, which is red, black, yellow and white, and I got mine from CNA. By the way guys, this video is in collaboration with Eliane. She did a Barbie doll makeover. You guys should totally check it out. She looks absolutely gorgeous, adorable. I'll be sure to insert the link. Here we go. See, the beginning was a bit more challenging. I had a hard time, just drawing a line. I had to wipe it out several times, but with time I actually got the hang of things. And just so you know, I had several mirrors with me, so I will be looking down and up, left and right. Yeah, just a fair warning. A face painting beginner such as myself, and obviously self-taught as well, I suggest that you go for something easy the first time you do it, such as the Wonder Woman cosplay, just because it's really, not that hard if you think about it. Just a couple of lines here and there, and then with time you can go for more elaborate looks that require more shading and much creativity. But always start with something that will keep you moving to the next activity, as opposed to something huge that will just bring you down. So here's a little piece of advice for you. So at first I used the black paint to shape my lips in a comic style, but I did not like it at all. I afterwards just had to wipe it all out, and then I rather went for the normal black lip pencil or lip liner.
Past midnight, I'm still here. My eyes are starting to look red. I'm tired.
So that is the final result of my Wonder Woman mini transformation. I also took the liberty and added an African neck piece as my final touch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing it. As you could see, my confidence started building up as I went, and I already know what things to improve from next time. Thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget, big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.